In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a board as a PDF. Whether you're looking to share your board with colleagues or print it for offline use, exporting your board as a PDF is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step. To begin, we need to open the board you wish to export. Make sure you're on the right track, as this is the board that will be captured in the final PDF. Take a moment to review and ensure that it displays all the necessary information you want in the export. Next, we'll access the board menu to begin the export process. You'll find a three-dot menu, often referred to as an options menu, located in the top right corner of your board. Go ahead and click on this menu to reveal various options that you can work with. Once the menu drops down, look for the export option. Click on it, and you'll see several formats you can choose from. For our purposes, we're focusing on exporting to PDF, so go ahead and select Export to PDF. In cases where the PDF option isn't directly visible, don't worry, you can first export your board to Excel and then convert that file to PDF later on. After selecting the export format, it's time to customize how you'd like the export to appear. This is an essential step as it enables you to choose specific groups, columns, or items that you want to include in your PDF. Take your time to consider which parts of the board are most relevant for your export, as this information will make your PDF more usable. You might also have the option to adjust the page orientation. Typically, you can choose between portrait and landscape. The choice here depends on the layout of your board and how you'd like it to look in the document, so take a moment to visualize this in your mind before making a selection. Now that everything's set, you can proceed to finalize the export. Look for the export or download button and give it a click. Your board will begin downloading as a PDF file onto your computer or device. It's now ready to be shared with your team or printed for a meeting. Optionally, if you're working within a browser, you can use the browser's print function to print the board directly. This can also allow you to save it as a PDF depending on your printer settings. And there you have it, a complete guide to exporting your board as a PDF. This method ensures that your board's content is easily accessible, organized, and presentable for any scenario. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need a reliable PDF version of your board. Thank you for watching, and happy exporting.